Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have Studio open and Roblox API access enabled. Now you start by creating a server script service script that calls game get service, data store service. First, set a clear key pattern like player user ID profile so you avoid collisions. Next, write get data store, my game data, and wrap operations in pcall to handle errors. Use simple default data structure for new players, e.g., coins equals 0, level equals 1, and call get a sync when players join to load state safely. Once you can load data, implement robust save/load flows. You use pcall around get a sync, set a sync, and update a sync so errors don't crash the server. Make sure to add a resolve conflict function if you expect simultaneous writes. Pick merge logic or last write wins depending on your game. Also, use update async for read modify write operations to stay atomic. Finally, add a debounce timer and autosave interval so you avoid throttling limits. Save on significant events and during player removing. You finish by adding final touches. Test and play and start server modes with API enabled to confirm load and save flows work under real conditions. Once done, simulate failures to ensure your pcall branches and retry logic handle transient errors. Make sure backups exist and logging records failures. If saves consistently fail, check quotas, ensure keys are under 50 characters, validate data store limits, and implement exponential backoff retries. That single troubleshooting tip prevents most production data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.